Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something new, something I've never done before. I'm gonna try a smoky eye, but since I've never done one and I've always been too scared to try one, I'm going to follow along a tutorial while I'm doing it. So I'm gonna try and follow along Vanessa Gema, I don't know how to pronounce her name, sorry, easy smoky eye tutorial on her IGTV. So I'm going to try to follow that and we'll see if this turns out great. And yeah, so let's start. I've already done my brows, primed my eyelids, primed my face. So now, yeah, I'm about to start watching the video now. Okay, anyways, so she starts from light to dark. For me, that's a bit strange because I always go from dark to light. But let's see, I'll try it out, we'll see. Okay, so she's using like a burnt orange color with a fluffy brush. I'll use this one, my BH Cosmetics number 7. I'll use this one for that orange color. Okay, so let me go in with that orange shade. Do I have a shade close enough to that? I don't know. Wait, no, this brush is actually huge. I don't know why I keep going for this brush when I know very well that I don't know how to work with it. Let me get Mange angled shading brush. I think, yeah, I like this one. It's nice and fluffy but flat as well. So it's the brush, angle shading brush number 4. I'm gonna use that for those orange, that burnt orangey shade. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, my orange is a bit, well, it's not as bright as hers, but yeah, so let's carry on. Okay, so she's taking a smaller brush and using that to pack in like a, looks like a burgundy-ish shade. Do I have that? Okay, she's using like a darkish burgundy shade. I'm gonna use this brush, I think, the number 6 BH Cosmetics, to pack that into my crease. Let me not be too quick to say no to this. Let's go. Okay, first of all, I don't have any gel liner, and I can't go buy a gel liner because we're under lockdown and can't buy makeup. So I'm gonna use what I have. I'm just gonna use a regular black eyeshadow that I have, in this BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Hopefully it turns out the same. I don't know. Anyways, let's carry on. So what she does is she places her black gel liner like on the lid, and then but like a little bit, and then she goes over that with a black eyeshadow. But I think I'm just gonna do the second step because I don't have a gel liner and there's nothing I can do about it right now. So I'm gonna use, which one should I use? I'm gonna use this short shader brush, number 3. Looks like this. And then I'm gonna try and not butcher this. Try and make it look cute. Otherwise, yikes.
What the hell we gonna do now?
Okay, so I've noticed hers is a bit higher, so I'm going to try to make mine higher, but I'm scared because I feel like once I start going higher, I'm never gonna stop until I reach my brows, which is scary. But let's go for it. Okay, so what she's done right now is she did the exact same thing she did on her eyelids on her lower lash line. So, but she started with black and then the burgundy and then the orangey shade. So I don't know if I should do it now or after I've done my face, because her face is already done here, and I don't know if I do it now when I put on my foundation and my concealer, maybe it could ruin things. So I think I'm gonna do it after. yeah, I'm gonna do it after. And then she added inner corner highlights. She used an eyeshadow.
Give you that really pretty pop. You could use a matte, you can use a shimmer, whatever you want. So pretty. Now that I have my lash on, we're gonna repeat the same steps to this eye. So once you're done with the other eye, you're gonna look a little something like this. And now we're gonna finish the rest of the face, and I'll be back with the full look.
Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that after I've done my face, the lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to use my Maybelline Superstay in, you already know the deal by now, 70 Cocoa. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Honey 338. I'm gonna use that. And then I don't feel like contouring today, so nah. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal mascara again, and then later I'm gonna gel my brows up or comb them up or whatever, and then I'm gonna use either one of these sprays to set my face. I don't know which one, I'll see in the moment which one, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. So the camera cut me off while I was doing underneath my eyes. I've already put on the black and the burgundy. I don't know if you can see it. And then now I'm gonna go in with Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my orange shade, already done black burgundy. So now in with this one. Okay, I think I'm done with that. And then she added inner corner a highlight. Haven't done that in forever. So let's see. Let's try it out. So I'm gonna use my highlight to put in the inner corner and the small brush. And let's go. Done with that, on to highlighting the rest of my face.
You already know the deal and how I highlight, so really, this is useless to you guys now. You already know it. We'll pop out something. My routine does not change, guys. I don't think it will. Okay, it probably will, given what's that, but not anytime soon. So yeah.
This actually didn't turn out as bad, as horribly as I thought it would. It's alright. I actually like it. But yeah, I'll see at the end if I really do like it. Alright, so yes, this is me. I like it. It's cute. I'm definitely going to do this again. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video, guys.